I think it's a little bit too big for her, baby girl. Is the shoes Joyce? Oh my goodness. She has such a big foot. Hmm? Oh, she has to grow up a little more, my love.
Shoe.
I can try. Hey, baby girl, do you want to put the shoes on, please? She say yes. Okay, here. Let's fix it.
There.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay, Mama. Ooh. Oh. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Uh-oh. Don't want to. Uh-oh. Ta-da!
Shoe.
Say, put your shoes on, baby girl.
Shoe. Shoe. Shoe.
Joy Bean, these are your shoes. It will fit only, Ben, only on your feet. Okay? Because that's your size. Yes, that goes on your foot. This one goes on your foot. Can I help you?
No.
No?
You can show stuff.
You're going to try by yourself?
Yeah, shoe.
Well,
Shoe.
let me bring it to you, okay?
So
Okay. No, I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll bring it to you. There you go. There we go. Why are you making this noise? What is that noise? Who taught you to do that noise? Huh? Uncle Ranky? Was that Uncle Rankin who taught you to do this noise? Okay, you're going down the slide?
Yeah.
Okay. Yippee. Good job. Huh? What happened? It's a hat? Oh, you don't have your shoes on. Goodness gracious. Come back up. That's smart. Joy V. All right, good girl. Tell me if you need help. Keep going. Ta-da! You did it! Yay! Oh, here comes that noise again. What is this noise? What is this noise?
Me.
Yippee! Bye-bye.
Bye.
Uh-huh.
So Baba's gonna do the.
Yeah? Do you want your baby to come with you? Well, not really.
Good.
Tell her to come down. Is she going down the slide? No? Oh, hold on, Joy. She's going on a double slide with you? Oh, goodness. You go in one and baby goes in another one. Come on. Come on, baby. Hold on. All right. Ready? Set, go. There comes Mama. Yay. Is she okay? Yeah? Ta-da!